of RDXGOA chapter, and right now I'm the conference director for Future of the Cancer National Conference and Scientific Seminar. Okay, so 29th, as Dr. Pratishtha said, on 29th of March, that is on Sunday, we'll be hosting the national conclave along with the scientific seminar in Kala Akademi. Okay, and chief guest for that function will be our governor, and our Pramod Sawantji will be our guest of honor. And special invitee is our Subhash Shirodkar, WRD Minister, along with our Babu Kavlekar sir, who is also a guest for the functions.
I'm Dr. E.S.J. Prabhukiran, National President of Indian Homeopathic Medical Association. A few sentences about Homeopathic Medical Association. IHMA is founded in Kerala initially. The association is spreading fast. It has now more than 13 state chapters, and the association works for the cause of the homeopathy. It includes various sectors, like there is a school of homeopathy which promotes homeopathy among the new doctors. There is Homeopathic Research Center, IHRC, which is promoting research in homeopathy. There is Women's Wing, which takes care of the progress of the women doctors. There is also Social Security Wing, particularly for Kerala started. We will be sending out all over India. That is, in the case of a demise of a doctor, how much the association will give a fund. This is the scheme, Social Security Scheme. Currently, it is in the state of India, Kerala, but we soon will be spreading to the all over the country. Now, may I read the press release?
Yes.
Indian Homeopathic Medical Association (IHMA) will be organizing 12th convention titled Future of the Cancer on 29th March 2026 at Kala Akademi, Panaji, Goa. The convention is being hosted by IHMA Goa State Chapter in association with Goa Homeopathic Council and Sri Kamakshi Devi Homeopathic Medical College and Hospital, along with Ayush Cell, DHS Goa as the prime sponsor and Kala Akademi as the venue's partner. The scientific convention will bring together leading homeopathic physicians, researchers, academicians and students from across the country to deliberate on recent advances in homeopathic management of cancer and other systemic diseases. As our conference director Dr. Vignesh said, Sri Pasupati Ashok Ganapati Raju, Honorable Governor of Goa, will be inaugurating the session. Dr. Pramod Sawant, Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, will be the guest of honor. Shri Subhash Shirodkar, Minister for Water Resources, Cooperation and Provideria, Government Goa, will be the guest. Sri Chandrakant Babu Kavlekar, former Deputy Chief Minister of Goa, will be guest. Dr. Bipin Vasudev Salkar, Chairman, Goa Homeopathic Council. Dr. Meenal Goshi, Deputy Director, Ayush Cell, DHS Goa. Dr. E.S.J. Prabhukiran, National President, IHMA Goa, IHMA, and Dr. Rajendra Kanekar, President, IHMA Goa State Chapter and Conference Chairman, will be the dignitaries on the dais. The convention will feature internationally renowned speakers who will present evidence-based insights and share their clinical expertise in the fields of homeopathy, oncology, and cardiology. The scientific sessions are designed to enhance professional knowledge and encourage research-oriented practice and highlight the growing scope of homeopathy in managing cancer and other life-threatening diseases. A key highlight of the program will be scientific session conducted internationally acclaimed Dr. Farooq J. Master on homeopathy and oncology, and by Dr. Naveen Pavaskar on homeopathy in cardiology.
But Sri Kamakshi Medical College. We have been a part of we've been a part of spreading homeopathy all over Goa. We are one of the only college of homeopathy situated in Goa. And for last 25 years, we've been working for the upliftment of homeopathy all over Goa. So we always been part of all the CMEs that are happening over in Goa. Try to be a part of CMEs happening in Goa. We are very happy to be the part of the national conclave that is going to be held on 29th March in Panjim. We are very thankful to our management who have always been supporting us in all the activities that we do.